Hey guys, welcome to Longness. Today I'll be showing you how to hide your friends on your Facebook account on your iPhone, and let's start right in now. To hide your friend list on your Facebook account on your iPhone, first open up the Facebook app on your iPhone, and after opening your Facebook app, on the bottom right corner of your screen you can see the menu icon. Tap on that menu icon, and after landing over here on the top right corner of your screen you can see the settings icon. Tap on that settings icon like this, and over here scroll down, and you can see there is the audience and visibility category available, and over here there is the option which is how people find you and contact you. Tap on how people find and contact you like this, and over here you can see there is the who can see your friend list option available over here, which is the second one. Tap over there, and if you don't want to show your friend list to anybody, just for your friends, not to public, then you can choose your friends. Or if you don't want to show your some of your friends or only a few among your friends whom you don't want to show your friend list, tap over here and choose your friends to whom you don't want to show your friends like this, and tap on done. And those people whom you tapped over here or choose over here won't be shown your friend list, but everybody else on your friend list will be able to see it. And then guys, this is how to hide your friends from public on your Facebook from your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment box, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.